let us explore the fascinating world of mind and learn how we can influence it through meditation. In the fast pace of the modern world, silence and introspection have become a rarity, but it's time to change that. Meditation, a practice that has played an important role in many cultures and religious traditions around the world for centuries, has been embraced not only for its soothing effects on the mind, but it has also been proven to change the structure and function of our brain. Meditation, in short, is a technique where individuals focus their attention to achieve a state of mental clarity and emotional calm. But it is not just about the peace that we achieve by meditating. It is about the long-lasting effects on our mind and our lives. Now, let's look at the science. The human brain, a complex organ with many specialized areas, is responsible for our thoughts, feelings, and even our conscious existence. Recent scientific discoveries have begun to shed light on how meditation can affect the structure and function of our brain. The concept of neuroplasticity, or the brain's ability to reorganize itself by building neural connections, plays an important role in meditation. Our mind is not stable. They are dynamic, adapting and evolving. And through meditation, we can shape our minds to enhance qualities such as focus, emotional well-being, compassion, and stress resilience. The gray matter of the brain mainly consists of neuron cell bodies, dendrites, glial cells, and synapses. It plays an important role in various brain functions including muscle control, sensory perception, memory, emotions and speech. Studies have shown that regular meditation can increase the volume and density of gray matter in certain areas of the brain. The prefrontal cortex is associated with brain functions such as consciousness, decision-making and social behavior. It decreases in volume with age. However, research has shown that meditation can slow this decline and also increase the thickness of the prefrontal cortex. The amygdala is an area of the brain responsible for processing emotional responses and is particularly linked to fear and stress-related disorders. Research has shown that meditation can reduce the size of the amygdala. Meditation has been shown to have significant effects on various aspects of cognition and mental clarity. Research has found that sustained meditation can enhance cognitive functions including problem-solving, decision-making and creative thinking. Meditation stimulates the production of certain chemicals in the brain, such as serotonin and GABA, that promote relaxation and stress reduction. These changes in neurochemistry may be another reason for meditation's effect on brain structure and function. And remember, in the commotion of this world, your mind is a sanctuary. Embrace the peace within you through meditation. For related articles and updates, look at the description below. We hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe to keep connected. Thank you.